Planning to fly a drone in the United States? Whether you're a U.S. citizen, a resident, or an international visitor, this video covers everything you need to know to fly legally and safely, including registration, recreational and commercial requirements, and key airspace rules. First off, who makes the rules? In the U.S., drones are regulated by the Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA. All drone pilots must follow FAA regulations regardless of nationality or purpose. The primary rules fall under Part 107 for commercial use, and the recreational flyer exception under 49 U.S. Code Section 44809. You can learn more at faa.gov/UAS. Now, let's talk about recreational drone use. For U.S. citizens and legal residents flying for fun, here's what you need to know. You must register your drone if it weighs 250 grams or more, label it with your FAA registration number and pass the trust test. Registration costs just $5 and is valid for 3 years. The trust test is free and straightforward. For international visitors, yes, you can fly a drone recreationally in the U.S., but you must register your drone on the FAA drone zone as a foreign operator, take the trust test, and follow all recreational flight rules. Make sure to label your drone with your foreign registration number and contact info. Remember not to fly near airports, stadiums, or over people. Now, regardless of who you are, here are some general drone rules everyone must follow. Fly under 400 feet above ground level, keep your drone within visual line of sight, and avoid flying over groups of people or moving vehicles. Stay away from airports unless you have ATC approval, and never fly under the influence of drugs or alcohol. Use the LAANC system to request controlled airspace authorization. If you're flying drones commercially, things get a bit more complex. U.S. citizens and residents must be certified under FAA Part 107, which means you need to be at least 16 years old, pass the Part 107 knowledge test, and register your drone. The test costs about $175 and is valid for 2 years. For international visitors wanting to fly commercially, you must obtain a Part 107 certificate, which requires TSA vetting and passing the test at a U.S. testing center. Plus, you need to operate under a U.S. registered business or with proper FAA coordination. Tourists or short-term visitors cannot legally fly commercially without this setup. An alternative is to work with a licensed U.S.-based remote pilot for commercial projects. There are also restricted and controlled areas in the U.S. where drones are not allowed. These include airports, military bases, national parks without a special permit, and the entire Washington, D.C. region, among others. Always check real-time restrictions using the FAA's V4UFly app or the DJI FlySafe map. So what happens if you break the rules? Penalties can be severe, including fines up to $27,500 for civil violations, criminal charges with fines over $250,000, and even jail time. Your drone could also be confiscated. Always fly responsibly and stay informed. Useful links can be found in the description below, including the FAA UAS Home, the FAA Drone Zone, Trust Test Info, LAANC Airspace Access, and Part 107 Overview. The U.S. offers incredible landscapes to capture from the sky, but make sure you do it the legal way. Whether you're visiting for fun or filming for work, register your drone, follow the FAA rules, and always fly safe. Like this video if it helped you, and drop your questions in the comments below.